A new coin just got listed on Binance, the Shiba coin. In this video, I will show you how you can buy this coin. But first, you must know that all crypto transactions are risky. You might lose a lot of money and you might also make a lot of money. Hence, this video is not a professional financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Now, let's do this. The first step is to log into your Binance account. Okay, once you're logged in, your dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, our aim in this video is to buy Shiba tokens. Okay, it just got listed on Binance and we want to buy it. And I want you to know that this video is not a professional financial advice. Okay, you need to understand that cryptocurrency tradings are risky. Okay, you could lose your money, you could make a lot of gains. Okay, so I just want you to know that. Okay, so if you want to do anything, any trading activities related to cryptocurrencies, please do not use all your money because you might lose them in a twinkle of an eye. You could make a lot of money before you know what's happening. Okay, so this is it. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, I would recommend you use the link in the description below this video to create your account. If you don't know how to go about creating an account on Binance, I have a link also of one of my videos showing how to create an account on Binance. Okay, so that will definitely walk you through so that we don't make this video longer than necessary. So this is it. So you want to create an account, you want to buy Shiba. How do we go about it? Now, the first thing is for you to buy Shiba, we need BUSD. Okay, we need to buy Shiba with BUSD. Okay, so to do this, I am going to go to my Binance app, okay, on my phone, and then I'll show you how you can do that on your phone. So if you don't have the app, you can download it on Google Play Store, okay, and then log into the app, and then I'll show you how you can do it. So when you log into your Binance app, okay, it's going to look like this. You can see we have home, markets, trades, futures, wallets, okay. So this is how the interface is going to look like. This is how it's going to look, okay. So we need this coin, BUSD, to be able to buy Shiba tokens, okay. Now, let's click here where it says wallets. You click where it says wallets, okay. It shows you all this. So we click this spot wallet. It shows us spot wallet. Now we are in our wallet and you can see I already have about 10 BUSD here. Okay, so if you don't have USD, which means I can buy these tokens, but if you do not have BUSD, okay, in here already, all you just have to do is once you're here, follow the process from wallet to spot. You're gonna see this place. Okay, all you just need to do is to click this here, and then it's gonna show you this face. Then you're gonna click where it says credit card. You click that, and then it's gonna bring you to this place. So you can see it says up here buy crypto. So this is where you can buy BUSD. Okay, so here I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so we use the NGN. So let's say you are in a different country. All you have to do is to click here, select your currency. Let's say you want to buy with USD, you are in the USA, you want to buy with United Arab Emirates currency, Australian dollar. You can see you select the currency you need. There are a lot of currencies here. So you select the currency that you want to use, okay, and then what else? Then you put the volume or you want to buy, and then of course you're gonna fill in all these details, and then you click continue, and then you'll be able to buy. Now, I want you to know that this is only possible if you live in a country where you can buy crypto directly from your card that is connected to your local bank account. Okay, there are countries where crypto transactions are prohibited. For example, in Nigeria, you can't do this. If you do this, your account is going to be flagged by the CBN. So if you are in such a country, you can utilize the power of P2P to buy this BUSD. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going back to my spot wallet where we were before. So all I'm going to do is, let's say I want to buy BUSD. Okay, so we'll click P2P. Okay, this is peer-to-peer trading. So what this simply means is that you'll be able to buy BUSD from somebody. What is going to happen is that Binance is going to provide you somebody's account details. You're going to pay, let's say you want to buy $10 worth of BUSD. You're going to transfer $10 to the person, okay, whatever, 10 Naira or 10 whatever currency you're using. You transfer it to the person's local account. But in the narration of your transfer, you're not gonna type anything that has to do with cryptocurrency. So it's just gonna be a normal transfer, okay, to that person's account. And once the person confirms that he has received it, and then your BUSD is going to be released into your account. So that's a simple explanation to how this works. Okay, so here on P2P, I'll click BUSD. Okay, then I click this P2P trading down here, and then it brings us to this place. So you can see these are the currencies you can buy here. You can also buy, you can sell. Okay, BUSD, we'll click that, and then it brings us this. Okay, so since I'm in Nigeria, okay, so these are the people that are willing to sell BUSD for me now. Okay, mind you, want to buy Shiba, but we need BUSD to be able to buy Shiba. Okay, so I can buy from here. Okay, so this is basically how you do it. Okay, if you watch the video, I have the link in the description here. You understand in details how you can buy crypto using this peer-to-peer. Okay, so it's easy. Basically, let's say I want to buy from this person. This person sells from 20,000 to 131,000 watt so of BUSD. So that's it. You look for the range you want to buy from, and then you click. Let's say I want to buy from this range. All I have to do is to click buy. Okay, if I click buy, it's going to provide me the details. So I'm going to put the amount I want to buy. Okay, once I click that, and then I'm going to click buy. And let's say I want to buy, let me show you that very quickly. Let's say I want to buy 5,000, sorry. Let's say I want to buy 5,000. I just click buy. If I click that buy button, it's going to bring me to this place. Okay, so now it's asking me to transfer funds. Okay, so I'm going to click that transfer. Okay, so now it's provided me the account details of the person's account number, this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to my bank. Okay, transfer 5,000 to this account, to a Zenith Bank account. Okay, so, and the person is going to definitely receive the alert, and then the person is going to, the crypto is going to be released. Okay, but once you make this transfer, you're going to come here and click transferred, showing you have transferred this coin. Okay, and in a matter of minutes, there's a transfer window here. You can see it says 14. You have 14 minutes more to finish the transaction. Okay, if I click this message here, there's an instant message that just came in. You can see it says unpaid. I have not paid anything. So once you pay this thing within this transaction window, this crypto is gonna come into your P2P wallet. Okay, so but I am not doing this. Okay, I'm not supposed to do this, so I'm not doing this. I don't want to buy this. Okay, so that's how you do it. And once you've paid, you're gonna come here and click transferred. If you do this and you don't click this transferred, you might not get your crypto. Okay, so that's how you do it, and then you get your crypto into your wallet. So I'm kind of like going to come back. I'm not doing this transfer, so I'm going to click that I'm not doing this. Okay, I confirm that I have not paid the seller. Yes, so I am back. Just that's how to do it, and then you get crypto. So once you do that, you are going to have this crypto in your P2P. So once you do that, you can see it says P2P here. The BUSD is gonna be here. The volume of BUSD just bought, once the person releases it, it's gonna be here. So you need to exchange it from here to your spot wallet. Okay, so, and to do that, you go to your spot wallet, and then you come here where it says transfer. Okay, so you're going to click from P2P wallet. So you click this thing and exchange it, and make sure it's like this, P2P to spot wallet. So what's going to happen is you're going to change the BUSD you have in your P2P wallet now to your spot wallet, and then you're going to change the currency here to BTC, the coin there, to BTC. To BUSD. You click BUSD. If you click that, and then you put max. Okay, that means max means you're transferring all the BUSD you just bought. Okay, and then you click transfer. The thing is going to be instantly done, and then it's going to reflect in your spot wallet. As you can see, it's reflecting here. So that's how you get BUSD. So once you have BUSD in your spot wallet, then you can proceed to buying Shiba. Now I want to do that live. I want to use this amount of BUSD to buy Shiba, which is about $11 worth of BUSD to buy Shiba. So let's move on to the next step, so you see how I'm going to do it. What to do is you come over here to this tab here and click that. Very quickly, you're gonna see where it says trades. You click that trade. Okay, very quickly. You see where it says classic. You click that classic, and then it loads up. Boom. So once it loads up, what you're going to do is you can see we have two crypto pairs here. We have BTC slash USDT using 10x leverage. So you're gonna click that 10x, that stuff there. Okay, so you really do not need to understand all of this for now. What is important is that you can buy this coin. Okay, once you've bought it, then you start devoting your time to studying cryptos. Okay, so if I click that, I'm gonna have a lot of crypto pairs. Okay, we are trying to buy Shiba with BUSD. So now I typed SHIB, and then it shows me all the currencies I can use to buy SHIB. I can buy SHIB with USDT. I can buy it with BUSD. Now in this video, I'm showing you how to buy it with BUSD. Okay, so you can click this second one here, which is SHIB slash BUSD. So once that is clicked, it's gonna show up here. So you can see it's showing up here, SHIB slash BUSD. So you can see the price here, 0.000000 blah 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 blah. So all I'm going to do is come over to this place. This is where I'll be able to buy. Now as a beginner, what you're going to just do is to click market. Just click market. So that means you're buying at the market price. Okay, and then so we need to buy with BUSD. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this button over here, I'm going to drag it all the way to 100% because I am buying with all my BUSD. Okay, all the BUSD I have, I want to use them to buy. Okay, so that tells me I'm going to have about 323,185 Shiba coins. Okay, so you can see that. So you can see that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click that buy button, this buy button. Okay, of course you can buy using this strategy where you set your limit and all of that, but as a beginner, if you're an experienced trader, you can do that. But if you really do not understand how to go all about this thing, just click market and then drag this thing all the way down to this place. That means you're using your BUSD in your spot wallet, 100% of it to buy. Okay, so you click buy. Now I have bought this Shiba coin. So you can see here I used to have 10 point something BUSD. Okay, now you can see it says 0.000. So if I kind of like go down here to where it says assets, so you can see Shiba coins available. I have 323,185 Shiba coins. If I kind of like zoom that in, you can see it. And my available balance for my BUSD is this, and this is what I have now. So this is how you do this, and then you buy it instantly at the market price. Okay, that was why I used market. Okay, so basically this is how you buy BUSD. Now you might say, okay, so how do I see this thing in my this thing? I just showed you that. You can go back to your Binance app in your wallet, and you will see where it is in your wallet. Let me quickly show you that. So now we are back in my Binance app. Okay, so if we go to this place down here where it says wallet again and click it, and then come here, you can see we are in my spot wallet. You can see it's showing up here that I have 323,185 Shiba Inu coins. So guys, this is how you can buy Shiba coins. Okay, so like I said earlier on, this is not a professional financial advice. Okay, this coin might nosedive in terms of the value. It might skyrocket in value. Okay, so you can gain, you can lose. This is like betting. Okay, there is a lot of risk associated with cryptocurrencies, but when this coin if it possibly increases in price, then you'll be making a lot of money if you have large quantity of this. A lot of people are buying these coins in millions, so why not? You stand a chance of making a lot of money, but just know that the more money you stake, the more the risk. Okay, so it's your guy Ken, it's Big Zell Bees. Bye bye for now.